Now, this takes us into the next piece. This will be a very short concept, but something nonetheless worth mentioning is pass, right? We can define a function plus, and that function takes a, b, and within that function, a, b, we just simply pass, right? And if I say print plus 3, 5, nothing happens, right? Pass is if you are defining a function. That should be a comma. So you use pass if you're defining a function, but you don't want to implement anything in there yet. So if you just want to have a placeholder, sometimes as a programmer, you might be writing and you might want to say plus 1, and then you want to also define a new function, right, and call it plus 2 as an example, but you're not ready yet to implement plus 2. All right, so maybe you want to define a function called plus 1, and you want to define another function called plus 2, and you're just not ready yet to implement them. All right, so what you can do is just simply pass, and that would just make your code not fail. That will simply make your code not fail, and then you can come around and implement what you need there. So pass is simply saying, all right, nothing, we're not going to do anything here, just go ahead and pass. All right, so that's simply if you don't want to implement anything within the function. And then last but not least,